Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate taking time out of y'all's busy schedule. Stop in and see what it is I'm up to. It is Friday, November 6th, 2020. We're in our winding out our 33rd week of dealing with this Chinese bat flu pandemic mess. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening, evening. I just came out of Walmart. It is 73 degrees here in Jacksonville with a humidity level of 83%. It's raining off and on. I'm supposed to be doing that all weekend, possibly for the next week. Not normal Florida weather for November, but there's a hurricane out there. See what it does. Anyway, that's 23 degrees Celsius. Like I said, I just came out of Walmart. I went to get juice. Yeah. I had 2 pairs of sunglasses. Replaced the pair that I lost recently, and the pair that I broke on my trip. So I like the look of those. These weren't expensive either. These were like $6 or $7. And then these, come on. I really like these. These were a little bit more expensive. These were like 14 bucks. But don't need them right now. Sun's going down. I stopped and got bread. I bought those thins earlier in the week, and they're good. They go in the toaster nice. But I stood there in the aisle and I checked ingredient for ingredient, carbohydrate, sodiums, everything on the back. And this is actually better for you by maybe not a significant amount, but like this great value bread is $1.53 for this package. Those 6 flatbreads were $3 and something. So this is a little bit better for you, and it's a whole lot cheaper. So guess what I went with? Oh, I picked up a mattress pad. This is only 1 1/4 inch, but it was also only $17. Oh, I mean, that's cheap. I could go and get another one and put it on top of this and have a 2.5 inch. So, and still be ahead of the game. But I thought I would try this out. If not on my own, if not in the van, then at least on my own bed. Trying to eat healthier, and then I come across deals like this. I mean, I'll just take my time, not like sit down and eat the whole bar. But I got 2 of those, $1.76. I mean, that's half price, more or less. Smoked cheddar. Yeah, that'll be tasty. Picked up cottage cheese. I like cottage cheese. So, excuse me. And then for my salads, instead of just having tuna fish all the time, I do have some pulled pork. And I bought these packages of chicken, the foil packs. Ugh, that wasn't good at all. So, I got this oven roasted turkey, deli meat, and rotisserie seasoned chicken breast. These aren't the healthiest for you. it's still way healthier to go ahead and cook up some chicken, which I will probably end up doing here soon. Cooking up and shredding it. I did find the shredded chicken that I had talked about that my daughter uses. Oh my goodness, is it expensive. It's like a pound and a half for almost $8. And I can buy like 7 or 8 pounds of frozen chicken breast for that kind of money. So, my cranberry black cherry, I've been mixing this 50-50 with water, just to water it down. And then white cranberry strawberry. It was up on the very top, but it struck my fancy. So there's that. Another black cherry, because if you've been around any amount of time, you know I love my black cherry. Even watered down, that stuff's really good. And then I went ahead and bought the low sodium V8. I had bought a great value vegetable juice, and even doctored up. I mean, it's drinkable, but it's just too thin. V8's it's got more body to it. I could have bought the hot and spicy. It was the same price, but the low sodium, it's a lot less sodium, and I don't remember the exact numbers. Wrong glasses. But it was a lot lower. And I do have to watch my sodium. Yeah, so this sodium was like 6%, and the other one was like 25 or 27% or something. I looked at a bunch of different numbers today. This eating healthier takes more time in the store, and it's a little bit more expensive. Let's see what else I got over here. Alright. Chunk light tuna. You get the 8 packs. It's $1, or it's $1 something a package, but it works out at like 2 or 3 cents cheaper than buying them individually. Italian seasoning. The vinaigrette that I got, it needs more Italian seasoning. Plus, I can make my own. I did go with the Great Value chunk chicken breast. See how they work in a salad? And they'll work well on the pantry. And then I saw these. I've used some of this in the past, similar to this. So just black cherry, squirt it in your water, and flavor your water up. It's worth a shot. I don't know that it saves you all that much. That takes you almost to the same thing with the flavored waters that you buy. They're like no calories, no sugars, no blah 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 blah, and it's some artificial sweetener that doesn't really help you lose weight. Alright, this one's kind of a mismatch. I don't use a lot of salt, except for when I'm cleaning my cast iron and stuff like that. And I kind of just like the bag that this comes in. This is under $3. That's a whole lot of sea salt. Great for, like I said, cleaning your cast iron and other stuff. And a little bit of sea salt in your diet is good for you. So they had bleed stop in the camper section. And I needed some of this for my first aid kit. I hadn't seen these sticks before. These big craft sticks. I have put sticks together, the smaller popsicle sticks, craft sticks, and then done pen and ink work on those. And I saw these, I thought, you know what? I want to try that. So I grabbed these. Again, if you've been around my channel any, you know that it is highly likely that they'll sit for a long time. See what else I got back here. Alright, this is the last of it. This is the value pack of the tuna, Great Values tuna pack. This is like almost 3 times the size. This is 6.4 ounces, and the other ones are 2 point something. The smaller packages are $1. Maybe they're 98 cents. But this pack is $1.98. So, I mean, that's 2 or 3 good healthy sandwiches there. Or a couple sandwiches and a salad. So I got 2 of them just because. Sharp cheese or my habanero pepper jack cheese, cheddar cheese. I've been cutting way back on my cheese. Didn't cut it out, but I'm cutting way back. And then last but not least, I picked up a bunch of these. Like 8 or 10 of them, I forget how many. This is a spicy bologna. It's very thinly sliced, but each one of these, I make 1 sandwich with it. But they're 48 cents. And to me, I like the taste of them. So, for 50 cents, you know, you can fill a sandwich. You use a package of this, 1 or 2 slices of cheese, 2 slices of bread. You got a sandwich for under $1. So, all right, I do believe that is it. It'll be dark by the time I get home. This is crazy. Anyway. Update. I bought that igloo cup at Ollie's the other day. Not impressed. Not impressed at all. It sweats. It sweats worse than I do in the middle of the summer. Left a big old puddle on my nightstand last night. I had to go out and get a bowl, a plastic tub, to stick it in. So, yeah, not impressed. And it did not hold ice. This will hold ice all night. So, it's okay, I guess. But yeah, not impressed. It will not replace my insulated tumblers. So, let me know what you think, folks. Give me a thumbs down or thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around your social media, that'd be fantabulous. If you want to check me out on Facebook or Instagram, I'll get some links in the description box, wherever that is on your device of choice. And if I forget, go look through some of my other videos. you'll find it. You'll also find my email, which is my PayPal, in case you want to buy me a slice of pizza or a Coke. And my email and my snail mail would be down there. You know, my mail delivery, delivered mail, mailbox mail. In case you want to send me a postcard or a gift card or birthday card. Yeah. If your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Hit them up on Facebook. Let them know you think about them. Let them know you love them. We ain't promised tomorrow, people. We ain't promised our next breath. So I see y'all again. I hope you have a fandoculous day. Cilantro, y'all. Wonder what that dye is doing to my insides. Bye-bye.